Okay, grade 5. So, as we started yesterday, we started learning about circuit symbols. We learned that this is called a cell, and this is called a battery. Two or more cells joined together. This is a battery. Okay? This is a connecting wire. This is how you draw it. The light bulb, a circle with an X inside. An open switch, you draw it like this, it's disconnected. A closed switch, like this, it's connected, so it allows the electricity to flow in the circuit. This is a bell. It looks like a bell shape, and it makes the sound of a ringing of a bell. This is a buzzer, and the buzzer makes the buzzing sound. It's the opposite of the bell. And the motor here, as I told you yesterday, it's like a fan, and it starts moving. It turns the electrical current into movement. Now let's answer these together. Bring your books and write the answers down with me. So here we have three circuit diagrams, circuit A, B, and C. Question 1. Look at the circuit diagram A, B, and C. Identify the circuit that shows a battery, a buzzer, and a switch. So we're going to look here and check the symbols. First one says a battery. Which one has a battery? This is a cell, and this is a cell. This is a battery. So which one has a battery? We could know from just looking at the first one. We're going to continue checking. A buzzer. Here, what is this? This is a buzzer and a switch. So it's circuit B. So we want question 2, a cell, a bulb, and a switch. Again, first thing, it asks for a cell. So here, does A have a cell? Yes. B? No. C? Yes. So it's either A or C. A bulb. Look at A and C. This one has a cell, this one has a cell. This one has a bulb, and this has two bulbs. So we're going to check for the third one. And a switch. Does C has a switch? No. A has a switch? Yes. So it's A. A cell and two bulbs. Here, does this has a cell? Yes. Does it has two bulbs? No. Does this has a cell? No. Does this has a cell? Yes, here it is. And it has two bulbs. So it's C. Now, which circuit shows the switch open? One of these three is showing an open switch. A is showing a closed switch. C, it doesn't even have a switch. So it's B. Which circuit has the biggest energy source, and how do you know? So what is the source of energy in the circuits? It's either the cell or the battery. If we look back here, we can see the volts of these. One cell has 1.5 volts per cell. Two cells or one battery has 3. So when you see a shape like this, a symbol like this, it means 3 volts. When you see one like this, it means 1.5 volts. So we go back here. Which one of them has the most energy? This has one cell, this has two cells, and this one has one cell. So which one? Also B. How do you know? Because it has two cells, or you can write battery, while the others have only one cell. Draw a circuit diagram to represent the circuit on the right. So here, look at the circuit. We have a circuit with a battery, wire, a switch, a closed switch, and a light bulb. So how are we going to draw this? If you want to draw it, you can, but you don't have to, because you know why? If you look at circuit A, it's the same. But here, we need to add another cell to make it a battery. So it's just like A, but we add another one. So it looks like this. I'll draw it on a paper. First of all, the batteries. Then we have the wires. Then we have a light bulb. Then we have a closed switch. Okay, this is the diagram. You can draw it on the book or on a piece of paper, whatever you like. Question number 3, draw a circuit diagram to show a circuit with a 3-volt battery, 2 bulbs, and a closed switch. So, again, I'll draw it here on this paper. This circuit is for question 2. For question 3, a circuit diagram with 3-volt battery, 2 bulbs, and a closed switch. So, the 3-volt battery, we said it has 2, so it's like this. And then we need 2 bulbs, so this is 1, and this is 2, and a closed switch. Okay, so you draw it like this: 2 light bulbs, a 3-volt battery, and a closed switch. So what we have learned from this today: circuit symbols represents the components of an electric circuit. Circuit diagrams shows where components are found in the circuit. Okay?